Good morning. Y'all out this bitch coughing and sneezing talking about I ain't sick. Bitch, you got something. There's no way the coughs, the sneezes, and the sniffles is going around. Y'all got something. Please stay the fuck away from me. It's no way. People just never know how to admit when they're sick. Why nobody take accountability for nothing nowadays? You're sick. Take some cough medicine. You sneezing, you coughing, your throat is sore. You got something. If it's not sick, you gotta be sick from something else. It's some type of sickness. That's that. Just stay away from me, because y'all just be too much in denial, and this is how shit gets spread.